What's up, guys? In this tutorial we will create liquid gradient text effect in Photoshop. Create new document. Add text. Enter text as you wish. Align the text vertically and horizontally. From Filter select Blur. Then Gaussian Blur. Follow Settings. From Adjustment Layer select Gradient Map. Follow Properties Settings. Again, follow similar steps and follow settings. Now make two copies of text layer using Ctrl+J. Keep the main layer at top. From Layer Style add Bevel and Emboss, Stroke and Drop Shadow. Follow the settings as shown. Select Text Copy Layer. From Filter select Blur Gallery, from that select Path Blur. Follow settings as shown. Similarly follow the same steps with other text layer. And boom, we are done with it. Try it out, guys. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel.